Hey, look who this is. It's me making videos again. Talked to a friend a few days ago and he was trying to start making videos on YouTube, and he asked me why I made videos on YouTube, and I realized that I made videos because, not really because I want to get big on YouTube or anything, but kind of like I like watching them when I go back and watch my own videos, and I realized I haven't made it in a while. So here we have a drift event and I'm making a new video, and I forgot my microphone, so sound is probably going to be kind of crappy. But we're here, it's Drift Corpus. We really love coming here because it's a very easygoing event. It's all about the true, how the drift began, all about fun, none of that competition BS and stuff like that. And we have the E46. E46 has a bunch of mods, so we're trying this new thing. We're running a 330 fan and we're running a 330 radiator, and it's a fancy upgraded radiator. So I hope this is gonna fix the cooling issues. It's not per se an issue, but after 2 laps the car gets pretty hot, and I feel like mainly because the original fan, it doesn't lock fast enough, and with the electronics fan I can control when it locks up. So other than that, we have FDF angle kit. You guys, maybe I'll do a walk around later. And I have I'm trying new alignment. I usually prefer less caster for less self-steer, which kind of makes me drive the car more than the car just driving, like letting go of the steering wheel and let the car drive. So I'm trying pretty much as much caster as it's kind of like sane for these cars. I think we're trying about 6.5 caster on both cars actually. Gail got a FDF2, so pretty much, let's see if I can get there. Yeah, so pretty much all of our cars are going to be on FDF now. Oh, I have a Motorsport thermostat, so the car, that's why this car is running, because it really takes much longer to get a temperature. Here's Gail. I just pretty much cut up everybody on why I want to start filming again, and I'm doing it. Alright, we're gonna load and then see you guys at driver's meeting. Alright, so we're unloaded. Redline tent is up. This is the couple box G35. You guys probably seen it everywhere. It's Kenzie Z. She services the car at our shop. We got alignment, all that stuff. Z. Kenzie Z. This is Gail Z. This is everybody has a part of Z. Just me. I don't have any Z's.
Alright everybody, I guess we'll get the driver meeting started. I'm going to start that off first. Please drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated. We don't have a million drivers, so take breaks. There's going to be plenty of time to drive all day. Sorry I didn't introduce myself. For those that don't know me, my name is Justin. I host these events. This is Drift Corpus. Thank y'all so much for coming out here. You know, I know there's those people out there that don't have a lot of experience too. Feel free to just drive a track, you know, drive a couple, and just let the grid guy know, hey man, I just want to go do donuts. Is that fine? Yeah, okay, well then drive, do a couple donuts, and then get off the track, and then just go back in line. Like, feel free to do whatever y'all want to on the track to give yourself a learning edge. We'll do a track walk. It is 10:15. Anybody have any questions, concerns, comments?
Gail changed the layout, and now everybody has to drive it.
Better.
If you go the other way.
Right, so kind of a midday update. The mod so far, be a BMW if it didn't look coolant, but looks like it's somewhere from this area. I don't see exactly where it's coming from, but I think that maybe the expansion tank is leaking from somewhere. I started it to see where it's coming from, but I can't tell. Let's see if it keeps leaking or not. Hopefully I can drive. If not, we're gonna share Gail's car, because Gail drove the car when the car broke. So if my car can't go, it's gonna be her car between you and me. After putting more water here, distilled water, you can see the drip. Yep, it's the plastic case, so probably buy a new one or maybe even get an aluminum one. So if you know one that lasts and it's aluminum, I think aluminum is the way to go. So let me know if you know one that's good. Since Gail drove my car broke, the best idea is to drive Gail's car. Here we go. I hope somebody got this on camera, because my camera died. So me and Rudy went for 2 laps. God damn, this car's fast. So his advantage of his competition car is diminished for sure. Like if this was like a 3rd gear track, then we wouldn't even close, you know, like not even supposed to go together. But because it was a small track and 2nd gear, this car ripped so hard. Damn, it was an awesome time. I really hope somebody took videos of that, and I'm gonna include them so you guys can see the Hell yeah! Was it fun?
Yeah.
Y'all murdered the set. I filmed it, so
Yeah.
now we're gonna put some big boy wheels from the E46, because you guys know what happened. So we killed Gail's tires, and now because that car isn't running and I keep driving this car with Gail, we put some big boys on it. So it's gonna be a pretty cool experiment. Let's see how it goes.
Am I good to go? Yeah, you're good.
with the 18s.
Yeah.
Dale is gonna be on the big boy tires now. The car doesn't look like a toy anymore. It looks like a real car. I can't wait for her car to be on big wheels at all times. A little too much sauce, it's okay. Clutch kick. Nice. This thing drifts so hard. It looks so much good, so much better on Koenigs, and it's so fast. Dude, so much better. Alright, so to recap today, an amazing event at Drift Corpus. Justin and everybody else, I mean, every single time we come here, it's great and it's chill, just like back in the days, just like 10 years ago when you go to an event and it's not like there's no like rules all over the place and stuff like that. But yeah, overall great. The cooling system kind of failed, the expansion tank broke, but I'm not really upset because that's why you have fun days like this, and relatively close to your house, because you can break something and it's not going to ruin your day, especially not going to ruin your day if you have another car. Thanks to Gail for letting me drive her car. I kind of took it once without clearing it with her because she wasn't present at the moment, and it just happened to be that Rudy Martinez was lighting up, so we threw a few cool badass runs. Got kind of upset, so
Did you record
sorry.
them?
I tried. I think the 360 got at the beginning of it and then it shut off. I don't know how I did that, but overall great. Gail, as a positive, if life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Because Gail started letting me drive her car, so two people driving the car, especially me driving her car, not holding back at all. We ruined her tires, so we put the tires from the E46 on the Z4. So that was a cool one because finally like a bigger tire on the Z4, and I mean, surprise surprise, it drove even faster and cooler and everything. It looked great, and I guess, I mean, you guys probably saw the clips that I recorded. Overall super happy, super excited, and going home and probably gonna start working on the E46, and probably it's gonna go on jack stands because it needs a bunch of work, needs some real drift prep, all the reinforcements and everything. But I guess to find out more, you're gonna have to watch the next video. Take care.